Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch battery on your Versace watch. As you can see, we have a modern Versace quartz watch. As you can see, almost brand new. It is in working condition, so as you can see, I just replaced the watch battery, but I want to show you how to do that. As you can see here on the table, I have a few watchmaker tools. I have a pair of tweezers so that I can grab the watch battery and also put in the brand new one. I have a back case opener or a watch knife, a brand new watch battery, which is going to be 377 or AG4. This is going to be the most common watch battery, so most watches are going to work using that specific watch battery, and also a watch press for those watches that cannot be closed using your bare hands. So for example, this Timex watch, this Timex Expedition, needs a watch press in order to be closed. So as you can see, you place the watch facing down, and then you need the watch press in order to press down the back of the watch. For this particular model, we can do this with our bare hands, but nonetheless, in case you work on your watches and you plan on replacing the watch batteries, I would recommend that you go and order all of these tools. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, as well as the watch battery. Now, when you want to open the back of the watch, what you first want to do is to inspect the metallic part, so the stainless steel back case, and you want to look for a small opening or lift, as you can see right here in this back case. That is where you are going to place your back case opener, so the watch knife, in order to open it. In this case, we also have a small arrow that points to that exact place. You can also find these on a lot of Timex watch models, so this is going to make it a lot easier for those of you that are just starting out. Then what you want to do is to take your watch knife or the back case opener, and you want to place it right underneath that small lift, so just underneath it, and you want to push inward and at the same time towards yourself. So you want to pull the back of the watch towards yourself. So let's do it together. So once again, the blade underneath that small opening or lift, then you want to push inwards and also pull the back of the watch towards yourself, just like this. As you can see, it is going to come off very easily, and then we are going to have access to the movement. Sometimes when you have these very small movements, you have a plastic holder, so a plastic part that is going to actually hold the movement together, and we are going to take this out. Always make sure to take it out from right here, because you do not want to touch this small part right here, which is called the coil, because that can actually damage the movement. Now, usually when you open the back of the watch, you are going to find the old watch battery inside, and you can actually read on the battery, as you can see, 377. So we now know the exact watch battery type that I need to order or pre-order in case I want to replace it on my watch. On this particular movement, we have a small hole right here where we can place one tip of our tweezers in order to move this metallic part to the right, and the battery is going to come off. So we are going to remove the watch battery. Once again, make sure to take your time and be very gentle, because you do not want to touch this part of the watch, so the coil, because that is going to damage your watch. So I'm going to place one tip of the pair of tweezers, then I'm going to go a little bit to the right. As you can see, the watch battery came off, and now I can go and take the new watch battery. As I mentioned, you can go online and order or pre-order the exact watch battery type that you need, and then we are going to take the new watch battery and place it at an angle just like this, and if I push it inwards, the metallic part is going to move a little bit to the right by itself, and then I can push it inside. Then I'm going to turn the watch around, make sure that it is sticking. So we want to make sure that the watch is working after we have replaced the watch battery, and then we can start to reassemble the watch. First, we are going to take the plastic holder. As you can see, it has a small opening right here, a groove, where the watch crown or the watch stem is going to be underneath the plastic cover or the plastic holder. Then we are going to take the back of the watch and place it the exact way as it was initially. In case you forgot how the back of the watch was initially, you can look for this small groove, for this small opening right here, and that is where the stem is going to be placed. As you can see on the other side, it is smooth, and then we have this right here. So I'm going to place it exactly where the watch crown is going to be. You can also see that the Versace logo and writing is perfectly aligned. And then I'm going to push the back of the watch in. You can hear a small click, a small snap, and that is a sign that the back of the watch has went inside. So now it is in its original position. Now, once again, guys, there are going to be a bunch of watches that you cannot close using your bare hands. I'm going to show you an example right here. So I'm going to open the back of the watch, and as you can see, I have access to the movement. Now when I want to place it back in, I cannot actually push it with my bare hands, and that is why I need this watch press. Now you want to make sure that this plastic ring doesn't press onto the watch crystal nor the watch crown, because you can damage those. So you need to find the exact and perfect ring, and then you are going to press down with the smooth part above, and you are going to also hear that snap. So that snap is what you want to hear when you close your watch, and that is why they are called snap off backs. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. You now know how to replace the watch battery on your Versace quartz watch. This tutorial is going to work for other quartz watches as well, so watches that are powered by a battery. So make sure to use all the watchmaker tools, so the basic watchmaker tools that I have linked in the description box below, because they are going to save you a lot of time, and that way you can protect your watches so you are not going to damage them. Also, I have a link for the watch battery, so make sure to check it out, guys. If you are into watches, vintage watches and watch tutorials, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps a lot. If you found value from the video, make sure to give the thumbs up. Leave a comment, let me know if you managed to replace the watch battery by yourself, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and all the best.